Ashton, can you show me who's in the pictures?
Chloe.
Who is that?
Chloe.
Chloe? Here, what about here? Who are those people?
Mitty.
Who else?
Mitty.
Who else is in the picture?
Mitty.
Macy?
Chloe. Chloe.
Yeah, who else?
Mitty.
Bryn?
Mitty.
Macy?
Chloe. Chloe.
Yeah. Who's that one? Who's that one?
Ben.
Yeah, Bryn. Is that the same people? Who's that?
Bella.
Who's that?
Bella.
Bella?
Bella. Is that Bryn?
What's your name?
Hey,
Ashton.
Ashton.
How old are you? Är du ett?
Ben.
Yeah, Bryn.
Chloe.
Chloe.
Mitty.
Yeah! Yay, good job.
Chloe.
Are you
Said
sitting
out that
here?
one part.
Are you sitting here playing with your Legos at your new desk? Can you wave bye-bye?
Hello.
Hej då!